Alright, so as can be seen, this is an old brushed motor from a quadricopter. And this came from an old Sima X8C, I believe. As you can see, they used a gear over here, and they used a motor. Now the reason they used this reduction system was because brushed motors, or brushed DC motors I should say, spin at impressively high RPMs. Because the larger the propeller blade is, the more efficient it is. That's why they slow these down. So yeah, that's the gig. Using a pair of snippers, you're going to want to snap the crap out of that mounting joint. And after that's completed, you're going to be left with this block right here. Alright, so now you're going to want to remove the rest of the polycarbonate plastic from the staff using a lighter. Until eventually you can just peel it right off. It's really sort of got up. Oh, there we go. There we go. That thing just came off right there and clean. So after a seemingly eternal cleaning, this is what the rod looks like. As you can see, the gears fit on it quite well. As you can see, after a very brisk use of a hammer, this gear is now attached perfectly to where it's supposed to be. And as you can see, that's one hell of a snug fit. Oh yeah, there we go.